Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create text animation in Canva. So this is my design and I want to create this text animation in Canva. So first click on your text you want to animate and then click the animation, and here you will find different types of animation preset or design. So this is one, this is another, this is another, this is another, this is another. Let's say I want to apply this. So here you will find three options available. So both means it will animate on enter and on exit, or either you can select on enter when it will animate on enter time, or if you want to animate in exit time you can click here. You can also set the direction of animation. Let's say this is one direction, this is another direction, this is another direction, and this is another direction. You can also apply this type of animation. So there are different types of animation available for you. You can also test this type of animation. So let's say I want to prefer this animation for this text, and let's say I want to animate this text as well. So select it and click animate, and now I want to apply this one again, but this time direction this. So now if I want to check my animation, I can see the preview. Click here and I can see the preview. I can also control the animation time of overall canvas. So click here, and this is the overall timing of my animation. I can make it for, let's say, 8 seconds. So now I can preview it. Click here and you can preview it, and this will continue for the 8 second. And now if you want to remove the animation, you can either click here and click the animation and click remove all animation. It will remove all of the animation from this page. Or if you want to remove particular text animation, then you need to click on that text and click the animate, and now remove the animation from only this text. So once everything is done, you can now download your design. So click here and click the download, and here you can download this design in two ways. First, you can download it as a MP4 video, or you can download it as a GIF file. So let's say I want to download it as a GIF, and now click here to download it. It is processing. So you see my design has been downloaded. Now click here to see my GIF download. Now let's see how I can download it as a MP4 video. So click here, click the download button and select this time as an MP4 video. And now click the download button, and it is downloading as a video. My video has been downloaded. Now click here and open it. So this is the design. I have created this text animation using Canva. So that's it. In this video, I have shown you how to create text animation in Canva. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question or confusion, throw a comment below. I'll read and reply your comment.